Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. This is Rhed Manalili for the Rhed Randoms. So if you're new to this channel is just anything random or just anything under the sun. And for today's random video, since it's October month, it's my birth month, I want to do something I've been wanting to do even before pa, long time ago na. Because I have frustration in this kind of shoot kasi hindi ko to na-experience ever. Most especially nung graduate ako kasi nakikita ko lang yung mga gantong creative shoots. Pag-graduation yan. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go! So yan, may dala po tayo mga gamit-gamit because we're heading to our best para mag-birthday shoot. Tang kung ano-ano lang. Let's go! Oh, ayan ang napakagandang photographer, oh! Na laging nagpa-fasting. Laging nagpa-fasting. Tapos eto si Besh, oh. Si Besh again, oh. Ayan. Kasama yung mga kanyang bagong pets. Bagong love. Dinner time ng nagpa-fasting.
Dahil dito napakain ako siya.
Nako. Oh, di ba, Besh? Light test. Okay. Test light. Kanire? First day out. So, this is what's behind me. Ta-da!
Tingin ka dito. Ayan. Try siya ko. Ayun. Try siyang i-lapse na lapse.
You love me. You love me, Nat. I love you. I love you, Nat. So you know why I wanna do this shoot? Kasi nung graduate ako ng college, hindi ko na-experience yung merong... Ang tawag din sa shoot na yung Besh? Yung pag sa college.
Alin?
Yung parang creative shot, alam mo yun? Walang ganun sa school namin kaya. And also, I'm turning 29 this coming October 29. Yeah! So it's 29 on 29. Di lang daw. Tapos sa katulong. As a production assistant.
Model?
Model. Runner.
Nagamitan ko po ng filter, best tingnan mo. Ganda ng skin mo siya. Huwag ka magana. Relax. Tingnan mo. Huwag ka magana, maging flawless yung skin.
At pati yung kilikili pa pati yun.
Huwag maging fake smile. Normal.
And yun na ang ganda ko. So that's it for this vlog. That's it, Besh. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's
Brock Scott Official.
yeah, pati sa IG, it's Brooke Scott. Amerikano kasi talaga to. Si Besh sulig na ata siya, pero thank you for your house. I love you. So, we're gonna pack up kasi all-in-one kami dito eh. Alam mo yung model na photographer, runner, cleaner. Yeah, maglilinis na kami. So, that's it.